I wanted to go a little bit more in depth with you guys on how I plan on using this and a little quick setup. So the reason why that I kind of want to do a physical planner this year is because I want a way to better allocate my time throughout the year. It's so easy to get caught in the doom scrolling or using your phone as like a digital planner, but for me it never really worked because I would put my plans in my phone and then close my planner app and then go on social media and then not get anything done. So I felt like I really needed something tangible. I needed to write things down so that I can keep myself accountable for my time. There's just something special about writing your plans and your goals down on paper that digital just doesn't give that same special feeling. Also, since it's a start of the new year, it is easier to ingrain your goals in your mind when you write things down and when you're breaking it down into little tiny steps. Like for example, if I don't know, you wanted to run a marathon, like for week 1 in your journal, you can write, do warm-ups at the gym starting with a quarter of a mile only, and then you work your way up. Then the next week is like do a half mile, then a full mile, then a mile and a half, and so on and so forth. So you're able to put those goals in bite-sized pieces that creates a whole meal later on. So I didn't end up getting the real Hobonichi weeks because it is like $50+ and I wanted to make sure that I can commit to something before I end up splurging a little bit on it. My handwriting is so crazy, don't judge me, but this is how I plan to set up my journal. So I have a section for mood, gratitude, movement, and on the week side I just have like daily tasks that I need to do. And then at the end of the week I have like a little summary page. Let's see if I can focus. So I can kind of recap on what I did. I'm hoping that me doing this will also improve my memory as well, because your girl has been just, I don't know, sometimes I forget what I did yesterday, and that was like less than 24 hours ago. So hopefully this will kind of help me to remember even the small little details of my week. Thank you guys for watching my very quick initial setup of my journal. Everything that I have used and purchased to set up my journal, I will be linking in the description below. Again, thank you and have a good rest of your day. Bye.